When people stop believing in you or go against you, it feels lonely. It hurts a lot, and I understand that pain. People may look at you and say, "Why don't you try something else? Why don't you just give up?" But you must stay away from negative people, those who do nothing in life, and those who bring you down. Think about an oak tree seed. If you plant it in a small pot, it will never grow into a big, strong tree. The problem is not with the seed. The pot is too small. End. The same way, your surroundings can limit your growth. If you want to achieve something great, you must break free from anything that holds you back. Whenever you try to be different or aim higher, people may not like it. It makes them uncomfortable because it reminds them of their own fears and failures. That is why true leaders are often called strange or weird. But if you want success, you must be strong enough to ignore what others say. Keep going, even when people laugh at you, doubt you, or try to stop you. I respect anyone who wakes up every day and works hard for their dreams. Forget about partying and wasting time. That will not help you succeed. While others are having fun, you should be practicing, learning, and working on your goals. Stay focused, and don't expect people to understand your journey. Some people will ask, "Why are you leaving? This is a good job. They pay you well. Why are you giving it up?" But if you have a dream, you must follow it. You don't have to explain yourself to anyone. Just say, "I have to do this." They may ask, "How will you make it?" Your answer should be, "I don't know, but I will." The universe helps those who refuse to give up. That business you want to start, the book you want to write, or the dream you want to follow. It is all possible, but you must be ready for struggles. You may face disappointment, loneliness, and rejection. People may doubt you, and sometimes you may even doubt yourself. You may have financial problems, but if you keep going, success will come. Your life is not controlled by others or your situation. It is shaped by your actions and efforts. When you choose to be different, expect criticism. Expect people to question you. Expect them to not understand, but do not let fear stop you. People may call you crazy when all you have is a dream. They may laugh and say you will fail, but success takes courage. As Frank Sinatra said, "The best revenge is massive success. Don't fight with words. Prove them wrong by winning."